Welcome back! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to refresh and restore these clip-in extensions. I wear these pretty regularly, and as you can see, they just need some love. I'm going to list the specific details on this set in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be mixing a clear gloss. I'm using Joico's Demi Permanent Liquid Color in clear, along with 5-volume Lumishine developer. I mixed about 1 1/2 ounces of the clear along with 1 1/2 ounces of the developer for a total of about 3 ounces. This clear gloss is going to add a lot of luster and shine to the extensions, making them feel brand new as if I just purchased them. Once you're finished mixing, go ahead and shake that up and set it aside. I'm first going to start by cleansing each extension. I'm using the Joico HydraSplash shampoo. This shampoo is very gentle on the extensions as well as hydrating. Shampoo each piece and rinse thoroughly. Once you've completely rinsed all of the extensions, go ahead and grab that clear gloss and apply from root to end. Once you have applied the gloss to all of the extension pieces, you're going to let that process for about 15 minutes. I'm just applying all of the excess product that I have left in the color bottle, just making sure that I use everything that I mixed. So you can already kind of see that shine and life coming back to the extensions. Once you've processed the clear gloss for 15 minutes, finish with the Joico HydraSplash conditioner and let that sit on for an additional 5 minutes and rinse. When you're doing your final rinse, make sure to thoroughly squeeze out any excess water. I'm using the Aveda Speed of Light Blowdry spray as my thermal heat protectant. I'm adding this to each extension piece after I detangle it. I personally like to lay the extensions flat because I like to let them air dry overnight. I prefer about 70 to 80% of the moisture to be gone before I go in and blow dry. This is going to make the blow dry process easier as well as save you time. Now you're gonna see me wrap them up in a towel, and I'm just pressing down firmly, making sure to squeeze out any additional moisture that was left over, and I'm gonna let them dry overnight. I'm using my Mason Pearson brush for the blow dry. I love how smooth my blow dries come out when I use this brush. Of course, this was gonna be my first choice for this video. I'm also using my concentrator at the end of my blow dry nozzle. This is going to help direct airflow downward. I definitely recommend to always use the concentrator nozzle every time you blow dry. Look at how smooth that came out with just a blow dry. So you can see how shiny all of the extensions came out. I was just so happy with it. They have so much life and they were so soft, you guys. So next I'm gonna go in with the Kenra Silkening Gloss. I added about 1 pump. This is gonna add an additional layer of polish and also an additional layer of thermal protection because I am gonna go in and flat iron them. So for the flat iron, I grabbed my Babyliss 1 1/4 inch flat iron. This has just been one of my favorites lately. I recently switched from to Babyliss from FHI Heat. I love them both, but Babyliss has just been my go-to lately. So I definitely recommend this flat iron if you're looking for a new one. So just to refresh your memory, here's the before. And here is the final reveal, you guys. I am so in love with how they turned out. They look even better than when I originally purchased them. Let me know what you think about this video and what questions you have. Leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.